Obula pass the energy we say Biafra. Oya pass woman again open an aba ball. Man in a walk, Mama pass Biago Fee and Auntie where you were poor, win. I had you and I got in a day and a door power and I saw the draft. Obula pass will give we pass will give in all my near there. Oh, yeah, you Yoruba. Even Bapas Abdullah has a win year and near there. Between that 1999 now, had to go 2 times with vice president.
Yes.
They benefited them. Obasanjo moved gas pipeline to Ota and Sango, Ogun State. That singular act moved over 40% or about 40% of the industrial capacity of Lagos to Ogun State. Why? Because of gas pipeline. That's why I keep on telling them, NDIGBO will be strategic. Why are you being happy in Alo Second Niger Bridge? Now, Igbo project. It's not Igbo project. It's not Southeast project. Because it connected 2 zones, Southeast and South-South. Why would you be happy about? Why would you be celebrating it at the team federal government in Melody? Whereas the Southwest are connected again, they are not celebrating it. Because they are telling federal government, if not done enough for us, if not done for anything for us, thereby federal government will be looking to do more. When I give my connected boon na beha and asina emegologi, thereby asina emegologi. No, it's not our project. It is an inter-regional project that connects 2 states that are in different zones. Why is it that the other zone is not seeing it as their own project? Obrayima and that's not strategic. I keep on saying it. The Niger Bridge good, but we should not be seeing it as a federal government. We should be demanding for more. Have you seen Delta State or Southwest saying this is our project, Second Niger Bridge? Now Lorraine project. No, they are not, because they are demanding for more. It is all about being strategic. But yes, the problem in Southeast politics is that at a time, the thinkers are being pushed out of the politics because of the type of money Jazz election. The money bags that used to bring Jazz elections is in a higher age representatives. And how had they so busy? How are they strategic? Before, the people select those that will go for them. The fund that will bring money, I fund all the election, even during the Zeke and what have you. So that's also the problem of Southeast. They are sending people that are not strategic.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
You can go ahead.
Okay. I believe that Southeast and Igbo should be strategic in so many areas and pursue strategic infrastructure and collaboration that will drive them. How does Nakanda Igbo? Stop the think about what we should be looking at again. That's why now governors like Anambra governor had their water policies of Abuja. The governors, including Soludo, after had so busy, Noka, from Mobianoma, that's right, after had too busy with triangular Mapita, after had so busy now with the triangular economy. Sit in Oka, target a coca, revenue from a coca on the Chinese Navy. That triangular economy. They don't see the budget politics of National Assembly of Abuja. They don't lobby for budget, for capital projects to come from federal government to Anambra. They don't move money to lobby. That's why we spend money to build our airport. Ebonyi collected from federal. You will be collected from federal to build their state airport. Strategic thinkers, you must understand the business. Any annual budget of the federal government, how much are you bringing to the state from federal as a governor? That is when you lobby. You can send, if I am the governor of Anambra State, for instance, I will have my special advisor that focus on the National Assembly and the federal government budget. And in my budget, the Minister of Agriculture, open a budget go 1 trillion. I will make sure I get 10% of it to Anambra anyway. Budget of Federal Minister of Health, of Education, Health, and all that. I will make sure I bring something to complement what I'm doing Open all no Kahana, not a little then. Maybe politics of Ibu one, Anambra. That is understanding politics of the nation. Open no Kana indicate na trade guy and Atanike. Also enough. EJ all guy in China can the National Assembly all the National Assembly members from Anambra, all the directors of federal government agencies from Anambra. Budget, I remember budget. What does it take? Open then as National Assembly leadership, I will spend money to put Anambra person in leadership. Because leadership, let me tell you, leadership of National Assembly. A member of leadership will get one budget, only 10 billion naira budget window. What is 10 billion naira budget envelope? Yeah, that's a project worth 10 billion naira. That is the example. That is what Tinubu them did in Lagos. They put their people in leadership of National Assembly. We have Lagos. We have never only leadership in Anambra has struggle. Others now, state governors can afford Nigeria lobby. We have not elected people that understand the politics of national assembly at Abuja. To complement but there are people who understand the politics of NDIGBO. No, I will not the off town. You are always some that on strategic. I'm saying in essence is that the government to think beyond the June. No, you are not elected to in a June go and get something and as there. That is what they need to be doing. But what I'm saying is that Akabubo and I pass budget in a budget for my efforts as governor.
Dalo.
We go for lobby.
Dalo.
We go state they will continue that project.
Dalo, this your submission now answered a question I've already kept for you. In Nigeria today, what is the fate of the Igbos? You know, we know that this country does not look like it's working. Okay, but so I don't know whether do you have anything to say to this question or do you think you've answered it? The fate of the Igbo. What's the way forward of NDIGBO in the Nigerian today?
The way forward of NDIGBO is to remain to be in Nigeria and continue to lobby and partner to get power and fix Abraham fees. The reason is that Igbo man is the traveler and the businessman. He wouldn't like an Igbo man that will be somewhere in Benue or none of that. And I say I'm not a foreigner. Now foreigners, yeah, before I post Afia, they have $1 million. Nina Narandu, but Afia, like Ghana. Because they open a kita country, Igbos Ghana at disadvantage. My wife, I move, I business. You know, Luna Kita na mark the name of business. Anyway, that's a foreigner. He about 4 months a foreigner. And foreigners, they go foreigners now trade there, but not do the now. The foreigner did the industry. Which was illegal to deposit $1 million to the federal government of Nigeria on the so I knew one. And the buying on the buying they informed that all that what off man. I'm saying this thing. And the Igbos no number. They will be one. You have to affair. It doesn't better. Say na ana marginalized NDIGBO. Yes, so ana marginalized NDIGBO. Man, even ne kaime about the solution. Yeah, ne kaime na Biafra of that about the solution. Or be ne could be NDIGBO. Kaime uche ozo kaiche lobo kaime no kai to ga uche. Malo no bulo kai bone so niye kai this here na strategy. I be able to bako azụ ka egbe na-emene mistake ọ like bad man bad ka anyị nata azụ okay what are we bringing to table what are we negotiating with kedu ihe anyị na-ekwu anyị ọ bụrụ anyị kwu nke ata agbapụ ka anyị na-ekwusi ike and again ka ndị be anyị gbe na-akpalizi na our leaders ọ na-abụ ọ na-adịrị ụmụazị be anyị ọnụ na ndị kalụ sote n'ihu mere ọ na-adịghị izi ịkpali ndị mmadụ mana ọ lead go kịta onwere ofu ihe o lead go kita onwere ofu impact o mere n'Igbo development Mana ndị mmadụ je na Abuja na-anụ ọgụ ya na-ama isi ha enye ha support abịa na social media na-akpalifa ha mara effort mgbe ị na-akpali down the negotiation ị na-reduce their capacity to negotiate because ndị ha na-anụ ọgụ na-azọ ihe na ha na dịbu na-achọ dị achọ. So we need to be strategic. I'm telling you, we need to be strategic.
Dalu.
Because thank you.
Dalu. Lastly, you mentioned Nnamdi Kanu and then mentioned Uwazurike, you know, that Onyia Choro Ego, the job men, they'll start mentioning Biafra. Do you think that Nnamdi Kanu is in the league of Uwazurike you mentioned, having known that some offers might have been made to him? You know, Ego culture, don't you think that he would have accepted some money all this while?
Offer, and to some extent, I'm on the noon. Offer, MLA. I go the offer. Why not EJ election? Why not EJ political party? Is that an offer?
I think I had 50 billion.
I say Ocha. Maka ọ na-anarị obele ego ọ bụrụ nke nnukwu ego onye ji ọya makụ onye abụ ịma ego na maka gọvanọ otu esi na gọvanọ ndị Igbo gbanwe eje wejeli ego a na-ewejeli ego ma nke ebunyere SUV Jeep wejeli ego na afalukwu onwegwe ọ na-aba na-enye ego ọ sị na onwere the point bụ na the disadvantage dị ya na Uwazurike bụ ofu game ka ha bịa alụ ọnọdụ ndị Uwazurike gazi skuul yanwa agụchara. So Uwazurike nwere ihe Uwazurike bụ a lawyer. So Uwazurike adabaghị ekewere na problem. So he was doing his own, but he was being careful on legal. He was looking at legal angles. Nnamdi Kanu couldn't look at legal angles. He was just shouting. Yeah, see, also Uwazurike Onyia Biafra in also no in 18 months. Within 1 year, 6 months. Governor here, ya quoted in public. Okay, Nnamdi Kanu na video, video. Governor na video the archive. So, man, now that we're going to how many years or pull on. If I have ya or demo, I don't want to open here. Ile Makahani you got to make go so much money. I'm telling you, very, very big fat money, man. That's not the problem. Open how make Chirigan without Igasabine, not the problem. Uwazurike if I video can also in the Abro and also now Uwazurike in the Abro Uwazurike go hotel there, go an idea hotel property there. Uwazurike made a lot of money. Up to the ego, NDIGBO to the ego. Mandichena ndo Onyia minister, commissioner. Mandonya na hire more oil well. So no man now you want.
Wow.
Okay.
It's election season again. Dear esteemed political candidates, are you aware that a good media visibility and advert can help boost your chances of winning? What are you waiting for? BAM Interview is offering you this campaign space to tell NDIGBO why they should vote for you. Contact us today with the numbers on your screen.